In the previous video of this Guatemala travel series, we visited Chamoc Champe, one of the most stunning natural places in the country. If you are new here, hi, I'm Priyanka. Welcome to my channel where I take you along on my travels around the world. Next, in this Guatemala series, we are heading to what many people call the most magical destination in Guatemala, Lake Atilan. Good morning guys, it's time to leave Chamoc Champe and now next we are going to Lake Atilan, which is really very popular place in Guatemala. It's gonna take around 12 hours by road from here. It's gonna be a long journey, so we have booked a shuttle service from here to Lake Atilan.
너의 중요하다는 words It's for you It's all for you 가만히 있으면 안 되는 걸까 왜 그런 거야
So after an hour, we stopped at one of the gas station for a quick rest stop and some snacks.
You know I don't want to know
It's been 5 hours since we started and the road is totally winding. It's not straight anywhere. We are just going on the winding mountain roads. It's tiring.
Yeah, I'm okay, just the way I am. You know, I'm okay, just the way I am.
So another stop at gas station where there is a small shop where you can buy snacks. Just bought some snacks like Lay's, Fanta, and that's what we are eating for lunch. Hopefully we will reach in another 2 hours to Panhaja. So finally we reached Lake Atilan. We stopped at one of the petrol pump, which is our final stop, and after this we have to walk to the store. We will see if we can get auto to our hotel. Good morning you guys. As you know, we are here in Lake Atilan and we are starting our day with breakfast at our hotel itself. So it's just a basic breakfast with eggs, beans, cheese, bread and coffee. But the view from here is absolutely beautiful. Today the weather is really nice. It's windy, it's sunny and everything. I'm really excited to explore Lake Atilan after my breakfast. So next we are heading to explore new town in Lake Atilan, which is called San Juan La Laguna, if I'm pronouncing it right. And for that we have boarded ferry from Panhachal. So after 45 minutes of boat ride, we are here in San Juan La Laguna. We are exploring the beautiful streets of the town, which is very popular. There are two streets which is very popular, one with the umbrella and other is with the hat. And right now I'm here in the hat street. This place is absolutely lovely. If we have time, we will go a hike which takes you to the beautiful Lake Etilan view. It's about 45 minutes hike to the top. So we have decided to go to the Mirador, and we have taken tuk-tuk to for starting point. From there it's 15 minutes walk, that's what they said. So let's see. So finally we are here at the Mirador. As you can see behind me, that's Lake Etilan view surrounded with mountains. The best part of this Mirador is it's colorful. The walkway is colorful and everything from here looks absolutely beautiful. For lunch, we are going to this place which is popular for Mayan cuisine, and to go there you just cannot just drop in. You have to have reservation beforehand, which we have taken already. So yeah, let's go and check it out. So we are here at the Mayan place for lunch. The plate looks absolutely delicious. They have three options: chicken, beef and vegan. We have ordered ourselves chicken plate. Let me show you how delicious it looks. So this is beans, this is tortilla, but hard tortilla with guacamole, chicken, rice, veggies, and this is tortilla, and this is salad. So let's dig in. So we just finished our lunch. The lunch was absolutely delicious. I missed to tell you earlier, it's a family run restaurant. So if you like to try Mayan cuisine, definitely book it in advance and come here. It's time to head back, and we are again in the boat and we are again in the first seat. So let's see how it's gonna be. So after the bumpy boat ride, we are here in Panachal. We are here right on time for sunset. I can see two volcano mountains just from here, and they are just glowing behind the sun rays, absolutely looking beautiful. The next day started very early before sunrise. We had signed up for the famous Indian Nose Sunrise Hike, one of the most incredible viewpoints around Lake Etilan. From Panachal, it took us about an hour and a half drive to reach the starting point of the trail. When we arrived, it was completely dark. Our guide handed out flashlights and we began hiking up the mountain, slowly making our way through the trails. So we are just waiting for the sunrise, and there are so many people here, and also there are so many sitting areas. And they are also serving hot chocolate. Let's see if we will get it or not. But yes, the first light is here.
We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. We don't need no more.
So we just saw a beautiful sunrise, and now it's time to head back. We enjoyed every moment of it. Wow. So after the hike, we are here for breakfast, and we have ordered smoothies and cappuccino and some continental breakfast. The sunrise hike was absolutely beautiful. We had such a great time. The views from there up there was absolutely beautiful. The only thing was the hike was a bit difficult for me, even though it was just 45 minutes hill, but nothing crazy. I would say I would suggest to bring a pole and good hiking shoes. It will be very comfortable if you do. So after breakfast, we thought we will go to another town in Lake Etilan, but we were really tired, so we came in our room and just relaxed a bit and slept through, because we woke up at 1:30 for 3 a.m. shuttle for the sunrise from here in Panachal. So naturally we were very tired, but we overestimated ourselves. We thought we will go and check out another town, but we couldn't. But that's okay, because we relaxed in our hotel. This hotel is really nice. We have good views, good relaxing place, and even massages. We are ready again and we are going to go out, and came here to one of the cafe. It's a very traditional cafe we just found on the street, and we are not so hungry, so we decided to have juice and some snack kind of thing. Let's see. And this place is really nice. Nobody is here because it's 3 p.m. right now. Not lunch, not dinner or nothing. So yeah, we got this place to ourselves, and this is totally local place. So what we have ordered is this is carrot and orange juice, and Pranjal has ordered. What you have ordered, Pranjal?
Pineapple and ginger.
Yeah, and then we have a plate of bagel and jam and butter. This is just, we don't want it to eat heavy, but just wanted to fill ourselves. That's why. So next in the menu, I have ordered this chia pudding. This is like chia seeds with coconut milk, and then decorated with all kind of fruits, banana, strawberry and mango. Let's see how it tastes. Tastes really good, refreshing.
Side by side, our fears are done. All the good times just begun.
Pranjal is having coconut water, his favorite from the carts.
Side by side, our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
So after the sunset, we are here for dinner at one of the Thai restaurant, and we have ordered Thai food. It is rated very high on Google, and everybody also recommended it. So yeah, we are here. It's a very small joint. It's more of like a backpacker style.
Really good.
Good morning, guys, and happy new year from Guatemala. So we had such a nice evening yesterday. We had so much fun here in our hotel itself, and there was party going on, music. It was a vibe. I didn't shoot much yesterday, but we had so much fun. There was fireworks all over the place. Whole of the town in Lake Etilan was celebrating such a vibe. We had so much fun. We just had breakfast, and now we are heading to our next destination, that is Antigua. So that's it from this video. Hope you guys like it. Please do subscribe to my channel, and see you guys in the next video.